I decided to take a little walk to do a little nature scouting, and I actually have a purpose. I mean, walking around the neighborhood in the yard, well, it's because I'm looking for nature spirits. This is a tree and a half. Actually, this thing isn't a tree. I don't know what it is, but it's huge. And look at the size of these leaves compared to my hand. Let's see. Like, it's big. But there might be some nature spirits. Apparently something likes to eat the leaves too. Hi, is there anybody there? Could you say hi and wave to me? I put up a picture of a man that I got, and I thought I was looking for nature spirits, and I ended up getting a ghost. But he was over here in this dead tree stump. So is there any nature spirits here? Anyone that would like to say hi? I would like to be friendly. Oh, that's very interesting, isn't it? Look at that right there. It almost looks like a skull. So there might be some cool nature spirits here. Is there anybody here that would like to poke their head out and say hi? I'm friendly. Any nature spirits here? I'd like to talk with you. Here's a cool tree. I like to call them camouflage trees. We live really close to a battlefield. It's really a nice park now. I'm going to take us back so that I can go through these and see if I get any nature spirits. Okay. Till next time.